Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka West Jenti Hills District Congress Committee kala Pyrshah Ïaka rai jong ka Sorkar pedeng ba yalam da ka Bharatiya Janata Party ban Pynkylla Kyrteng ya ka Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act Shaka Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Act Araja Apusan Laban kedau ba ka Sorkar pedeng kalawan ra da ka VBG Ramji ban bujli ya ka Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act Araja Apusan kabadai ka skim bala shis pasni haba kranchi kila pathai kubor UMDC ka Congress uba madan bai rembai uloong ba karai bujli ya ka Mgnrega shaka VBG Ramji kan kta ya ki nong shong shnong kari India ki badan hakithan nong kendong bat ka thumuru ban kni no ya ka hok ya ka kam belas ni jang ki pat ba khamtam ki long Kmie hakithan nong kendong menshua lingba ka scheme Mgnrega ki pat ba kila bandawa kam bat ka Sorkar hapo khatsan sni ka deban ai kam bat lada kamla ki deban siu ka bainong Henry Menta lingba ka VBG Ramji ka Sorkar jila ka haban ai kam kat kum ka jingmang tingka ka Sorkar pedeng uloong nalor uba madan bai rambai hakani kasni ladon langru UMDC ka Congress na saphai sa snyang uba rikut and paren ka President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress ka Kong Joplin Scott Shilla nalor kinongkit kam ka Congress hapo ka district
tengah gini kepor kuwa ukulan baj ya gini kimat ki wiyatok kat kam gini ke isu gini ke isu manga kagajing ito wa kenika Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005. Recently, the Yoi, Hapa Parliament, the table, the government, wakil tam yang dari India Hapa Lok Sabha, yang kenika bill, wow, replace noka, sego widuan ko bertuj. The kini bertuj wada kuau change lengba kenika government wakil do yang dari India yang igo ang iga National Democratic Alliance. The ko yalam the BJP. Tengah jingyo yang mudman ke win ko paklatam ko man is very wrong for the nation. Dekat konte kuau kulam ini kat ni the egi gini ko ang iga Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin Act 2025 VBG Ramji Katera replace kiya gini ko angi ka Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 cha ka VBG Ramji ko man ka Act yang 2025 kini tok yoy man ko kata mat yang hatu kata-kata ya ki nong senong yang dari India ko em ki thai nong kendong ko angi ki rural na tekar kam te nga yoy man kini tok penyo ko kejing kita kaya i ko wa nta ore do wa udoi yini chi yo angi chispas ni andrei yo ko yoten yo wang no bon kisnang pom ye de wan kenika scheme ko jo angi woro situluk keri India kini tok chispas ni dalor gini ta hapok Lok Sabha hi de penyogi lada yo no implement kenika ak ko angi ke VBG Ramji 2025 tekemut uegi cispa arpausan sni tekete cispa arpausan sni ta emtak ga ko mut ki uai ko yo selensar ka kauman kenika Mgnrega 2005 tekwa le bukemo ini kenika Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 kenika scheme dalai ga da paladiaga arpausnem yeno wanga to more than 2 decades. kini dah belai ko tu yo man kan nu kejing ya ram ya gitu kita nong kendong khantam mi gi longjung longsam ki wadok ki wa im ka da gur kwam ko ang ki kup chiliang sam chiliang dadam nei ta hejing yo na la da tau point ga chigani ga VBG ram ji tu man ga kam ni na hagi harvest time te tharai yo scheme de tang kajak la ini da ong baci ke tu to ko ye pendok ki da biang ke kamai ke rep ke riang na agriculture la ne ke da agricultural lan yang ki kita ki wituan ki kenja cultivation kantar kon tekar ukam te nga yo man ko negaliang ke hejing cham yang de pat de examine ma darap bạch ba ga di man thoroughly ni ba kini ke kam untuk ko hoi to nga percha ka mar dor ke ta ga wo replace ye kini ka Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 nga percha replace ki ka sa kini ga VBG Ramji Act 2025 nga ta ke ta mar dor kini ta wa kini kungje priang ni ba le yo kini ke guideline to man go wa rapsi te kwa chu ku bur ini kini hipertuk yang ga yung dorbar ko amburam ko ang igalak sabana de chenna I jan waro de bon ni ginong chong snong yang gari India mut ke te bil utebel u kwa ba yu tholat u pas ke te bil de ku goble de unconstitutional Duku le ada ke borba untuk ada gua peding lang ke jung dorbar ha kata kurkom ada gua yok ski sulon perkhat perdang lene wow sani bha ye katu de wow examine thoroughly ye gani ga bill kat kam gaya tibi ki bill wara ki sen da one table ki ta ki clash ko bon ha katu ka act te nagi clash nago bichika bige clash la am ga clash ko ya lam bakla ya I sa go wow mihabega wa gar kom man pur kom im yang di pat ba nong chok sunong yang gar India ko ro ko bi tengah ga ni ke por ko wa u che de ga kten yang is kajak ni ki pan ki wa em kam ba le da pendok ki ye ga ni ka chispas ni ko wa ngi ka Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme ngangai ko nong kong do ke jinjar ini to man ko ye no la de pendo e gani replace se ko bi berto ye no wang haga thagu yo ka mo pen be chi ong gi chispa ar pa san suina bon gi chnong hanong gondong ko ban de tang de scheme to ke jindo nong ke jinjar ke jingkerdo ke te crisis ko wan go hagi nong gondong hi ko jo yo u enjoy gani ke scheme ta nga ang ba yo de ki tang khajuk khajak la haman ko budget ta ke scheme ko bon hi nong gondong ko do ba ki chnong ko per tekar ko ante habduk no ki u jinjar wat ki khan yang ki go am ki institution ka primary level la ne upper primary level la de duk upon unyo la level la ni chawi to wan ki thau yong ki te ki private la ne ki mahajan tekan kam te yo gani to wakta mat yong hado kata ke jingle yong ke Sorkar ngam ong ke NDA ne kata ke National Democratic Alliance ke jingle yong ke parti BJP kani to ko wa thola upen do upen dam upen create ko problem lene kata ke crisis ya di longjung longsam ko man ne power family hagi chnong go man gi nong gendong kam jo la sako wi chu ko pan go a ngayo man do khi do khan gi bro wat we asset ki kita kuang gi property ki kenda gi chi yap la do ki benda teman do ki benda da kenda gi chi yap tem ye de gi su te li chim ai ka bank ki banking system la ne ki wan gi te gi wa biang baru ai posa benda di yung kisam dan ni kita bahagian ti kewalayan yo kini ki idu kita yu ladem kam gani to the past class 8 pass anabang ladem kam gani ke kam hachnong hathawi Myak thab de ki ulai li bela ha kita kurkom goman in a proper way. Deduk ki her cha ki sor goman kam ki district headquarter lane hadok ha ka state capital ko hagi state ko per apa ni giri India. Kam tam ini apa ka state capital yang ka state Mgnrega yang ni ko ang Shillong. Chamatang ha ni ka par berada ke jingdo kam do jam ki bruna ke jingthang yo mar pa khanda wang yu mo yong la the bon ki kena go da pas ke class A chaneng ha surrounding area yang ka Shillong city the bon yo la bela cek dukan cha ta ni dengan mar ta te no la da ni ka VB Jiramji u implement ki ka de mi ye le jing thut da tikna ba kini ki khan khro khlo di go da start da tim na juai le ne kam tam ne ni ke Janji Hill district yong i ko ai mo ga west ga is da tikna ba lai la ga sor chalong ni ba ga sor chalong da expand ga day by day ka ni da man ga go wina ka city ko da rap het ko ha ko population le ne ga jing he apa ga ni ga north eastern state yong i ga wan te nga yo ga ni to ko ni ga liang yo nga ka ta ja ga mar dor hai de bdiang ye ga ni la da man kat man le nga huboro kursu thia lo di ye gi nong chong chnong yong ga ni ke district gi ka brim nyau trap kam jo le state Mgnrega hawara stelu pi yong ga India wo percaya ga ni ga replacement ya ga Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 u percaya u replace ki ka chaga VB Jiramji 2025 jadi tengah percaya mardor negeri yang nga dia ko bor ni terpat le perlu perbako hapok keni ke ri India yang i lane kamtam nampak keni ke distrik nampak ke state Mgnrega yang i u ye ni percaya jurja nang yo ye yu yok biang ye keni ko wa lai baik lai ti ke prosedur ko man acceptable for all ke Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act teku ke prosedur enggak koman acceptable for all koman very easily to proceed ahead the solution for job card both job card and material ketika yo tak komien la dengan ni badang do we thok kai la ni le wa yo ni hagan ni ke geo tax hai ni apa district council nga ka tu la khende benai pura de mano elected MDC the kamu bro the experience with the job hado shortly gitem haga niga Janji Hill Autonomous District Council chema keni ki jingcheng ki ketaka geo tax yang ki kuwa mi ansar de deganu ka prosedur bula yo ye pula ye sanction la dagi contract bill la ne la da ki development haganu kunu benta go yo haga state la ne ha I ki waman Autonomous District Council ga kum ye man tela degani betan ka uang u kala gila gani ka Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act u replace kita chagani ka VB Jiramji 2025 ngada tikna kompa de chinu la ka ching thka hanim ta de ko ke mut ong bala do do zate nje ki butau implement de ko procedure tangkam gani ki yo tax la hado ne de chisnam ko wi ko budget dalai ke Mgnrega warok kam ye ke ka implement ong ki wom u muklik ke portal untuk wom baduna network ke portal muklik ila wom klik ke guideline go ID ye implement ya ka de wo klik look ke ni ka digital go I mekani lengba kat kamaya ni kita teknologi lene ke lengba ki computerized te gani bahan da tikna ba ko pa chinu de dam ite udok senda ni gawara na tip ala da chai ula ki ka wangat naka Mahatma Gandhi chaga wi biji ramji na wang dastap kani da kut ba chitai pa jiwan jo chami ki scheme Sorkar kam ke JJM haga PhD department ko central sponsor centrally sponsor scheme chaga government of Mgnrega hapa ko PhD department the kepaisa da tipi channelize ya ka lembaga finance department government of Mgnrega te da pak krek gi ye chnang ko fair em go ai di contract work em go ai di gini ki kerja development committee Handrai ke bil memdeu baca nado asrang niu arjar arpausan kat wala di thok ini ki hek Sorkar ko ang dine ke state cabinet yang ke Pynkylla lem yo sanction de ni tai the government of India. Te sakam kini bidang dengan dati ko gumje de gumjok sedang menung nu kaman de ti sedang. Wa de kerja sedang de kerja yo bil la kan depending lu kuara. Dekat kam te bon yo da safar lut ki kontraktor me de ki le kari wa em le pending ke project bang tre de ki. Dengan kali nga hi wa u kubur de ye ki panjang senang. Betul kam kini lemba kini ke district congress committee yang inya bence ini de wawang ini galian ke parti hi wa utola de ka pentaj marba di kini ile haden arpas nan modalai baik lahirti kaman pendok ye pada de biau imaya itu utho ide ke wangi ke new thing new ideas utho ye ke newly created haginu nak bentar tak utho ye ke creating in newly project in newly sector ki newly scheme ko bo ki pai ba ha to ko in new rap sup rap san di woman rahman happy inong chong chong ko em kham tam ki wa lui lui cha ki thai nong bendong wom poi chuan la berkat perdan kamu man ki tuha orban area tengah negeri yang nga mereu da kwa pendrong jan dia yo lang ika wara de u pensnya biang ini the wang di English medium. This is the narrative of the BJP and at the same time this is the theme for BJP party, that is particularly for the BJP party yang ini. Untuk kau mut ki uman ni bentau bah yang nong chong chong yang kerin dia wa wabi. Sekadu kerja kini agaknya tak wa pi ki perlakuan ki press ki perlok yang ki media na tu yo bigani man ga hagadur ngale dia barbali wi aklam wa ki gitu wangi ki wana pa ka ni ga Pynkylla Pradesh Congress Committee te snyau man ngam yeu gai lagi ka te kelam halor gani to dua wa yubi la da witness da imadam Joblin celah waman presiden yang ga Mahila Congress yang ga Pynkylla Pradesh Congress Committee te gani snyau to igani umut ule igani man ga hini du which is to place on record in deep concern and strong opposition to the enactment of the Visit Bharat Guarantee for Roska and Ajivika Mission Gramin Act 2025, which has replaced the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005. The halorgani Ong biang igamni, let us be absolutely clear at the outset. This is not a routine policy change. This is a fundamental weakening of the right to work, the dignity of labor, and the system of social justice that protected rural India for nearly 2 decades. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act was not charity. It was a legal right to the work for millions of rural families across the country, including thousands in Pynkylla. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act means food on the table during crop failure, flood, illness, rising price, and time when no other work was available. It prevents distress, migration, reduce death, and allow people to survive with dignity in their own villages. Women were at the center of this law. Nearly 60% of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act workers nationwide are women, making it one of the largest sources of dignified public employment for rural women. By dismantling Mahatma Gandhi NREGA, the BJP government is directly attacking women's economic independent household security, and social dignity. This attack did not happen overnight. For years, the BJP government weakened Mahatma Gandhi Mgnrega by deliberately underfunding it, even when rural distress was high. In 2021 to 22 and 2022 to 23, allocations were kept far below actual demand. In 2023 to 24, the initial allocation was cut to its lowest level in years and raised only after protests. Wages were delayed, funds were released late. Workers were forced to agitate for what was legally theirs. What was earlier done quietly through budget cut has now been written directly into law through the VBG Ramji Act 2025. The new act changes the very nature of the job guarantee. Employment is no longer driven by people's demand for work. Instead, it is controlled through central notification, fixed budget ceiling, greater financial burden on state, and heavy administrative and technological control. Under this law, work applies only where the center notified it. Funding is capped even if demand rises. States like Pynkylla are pushed to shoulder higher costs. Work can be bound for up to 60 days a year. Technology failure can deny wages to genuine workers. In simple terms, work will no longer be available because people need it, only if the system allows it. The human cost will be devastating. Fewer days of work, delayed wages, rising death, forced migration, children pulled out of school, and women pushed into unsafe labor. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act was designed around human survival and dignity. The new law is designed around budget control and central authority. Mahatma Gandhi Mgnrega also carried the moral vision of Mahatma Gandhi, dignity of labor, strong villages, and the state duty to protect the weakest. Removing his name and allowing out the guarantee is not accidental, it is ideological. The Pynkylla Pradesh Congress Committee stands firmly with rural worker, job card holder, women labor, Adivasis, Dalit, and marginalized families. This is through the District Congress Committee. This issue today is for focusing to the people of Janji Hill, especially for the people of West Janji Hill district. We focus this issue. We against the replacement of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Through the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, Bancho Sangram we demand, that is in Bancho Sangram, that means in Hindi medium, the restoration of a universal demand driven right to work, full funding based on real demand, timely and complete wage payment, respect for Panchayat, and withdrawal of the VBG Ramji Act 2025. This is a fight for dignity, this is a fight for survival, this is a fight for every village home that depend on the right to work. That's all. Within this few words, I conclude my speech. Then, before I conclude, I thank first from the radio section those who are present and witness this for spreading the news. And at the same time, I thank to Kong Jok, is President of Mahila from Kmie Pradesh Congress Committee, and Marikut Parin is my colleague, is elected MEC of the Indian National Congress, and I thank to the office bearer of this office of District Congress Committee West Changi Hill. So within this word, I thank once again. I thank to each and everyone. Thank you.